my friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel Thriving DIY. My name is Angel. In today's project we are going to be installing this decorative stainless steel wire that you see in the railings on this side. I'm gonna do the same design on this side, and I'm gonna explain step by step how to install. And without further ado, let's jump into this project. So the first step in this process is measuring the width within the rails. So you want to measure and see how wide do you want each rails to be from each other. So this has 4 inches. So I'm gonna pre-drill a wood with my measurements. So then when I go to pre-drill the holes, I already have measured everything, and it's much easier that way. Now that we have step 1 done, we know exactly where to drill the holes. So step 2 will be actually pre-drilling all the holes and knowing where the wire is gonna fall, right? So let's do that. So to do that, we're just gonna place this like this in the middle, because obviously you want the holes to be right in the middle, right in the center. So that's very essential. So now that we are done with step 2, which is pre-marking and pre-drilling the holes of where the cable and the hardware for the stainless steel cable is gonna go. Now the step 3 will be installing the hardware of the cable. So now that step 3 is done, which is installing the hardware, now is actually time to put the wire itself. So this wire that I bought is from, it's 1/8 in diameter, and so the first thing we're gonna do is put the wire through this middle post, and then I have this clamps in here that will clamp this together. Put this wire through here, go around it, and then since you're gonna clamp this, you want to get the wire through the other side of this little clamping tool, and then so this little thing's gonna serve as a guide. You want to pull this as much as possible, so you want this to be like this, so it doesn't move, it doesn't have time to or space to come off. Now that you have this already in place with your clamping tool, you're gonna come and clamp this together so it doesn't move ever. That's it. So now it's already clamped, And once we have this side ready, we're gonna pull this, extend this a little bit, and gonna do the same on the other side. So this is gonna go around the same as the other side. Probably right here is fine. You wanna give a little extra wire so you don't struggle too much. So right here is fine. It. And then you're gonna see how this, you're gonna tighten this to make sure this is well extended, the cable, and this works very amazing. See how this is extending itself? It's already extended a lot.